In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export profit and loss reports as PDF in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get a clean, shareable profit and loss report ready for printing, emailing, or archiving. Start by logging into Xero and opening the organization you want to work with. From the main dashboard, look to the top navigation and click Reporting. This is your hub for all financial statements in Xero, and it's where the profit and loss lives. Next, select Profit and Loss. Xero will load the report using your most recent settings. To make the numbers truly useful, choose a layout that matches what you want to show. Open month-to-date comparison if you want to see how the current month stacks up against the previous period. If a different perspective suits your purpose, like a simple single-period view or a wider comparison, you can switch to another layout from the same screen. Before exporting, click Edit Layout. This is where you fine-tune how the report appears on the PDF. Take a moment to review the formatting options. Consider whether you want to show more detail or a summarized view, whether columns like prior period or variance are necessary, and whether the order of sections helps tell a clear story. The goal is a layout that's easy to read and highlights the insights you care about. Remember, the PDF will reflect exactly what you see here, so it's worth getting right. When you're happy with the layout, look to the top of the report and click the PDF icon. Xero will start generating the file. Depending on your data volume, you might see a brief loading period. Just hold tight while it prepares the document. Once the file is ready, your browser will prompt you to save or download it. Choose a clear location and a descriptive file name, such as the organization name, the report type, and the date range, so you can find it easily later. After downloading, open the PDF and review the exported financial report. Confirm the company details, date range, and layout are correct. Scan the totals and subtotals, make sure the columns display as expected, and check that page breaks and spacing look professional. If anything needs tweaking, return to the report in Xero, adjust the layout, and export again. And that's it. You've successfully exported a profit and loss report as a PDF in Xero, ready for sharing, printing, or financial reporting.